What is SoundExchange? SoundExchange is a nonprofit organization established by the Copyright Royalty Board. SoundExchange collects and distributes digital performance royalties on behalf of recording artists and master rights owners, which could be record labels and independent artists who own their masters. Performing rights organizations, on the other hand, collect and distribute performance royalties for songwriters and publishers. PROs collect royalties by issuing licenses to TVs, terrestrial radios, businesses, streaming platforms, local bars and clubs, etc. SoundExchange collects digital royalties from three main sources. Non-interactive webcasters, which are service providers that do not allow users to pick and choose what they listen to. Pandora is an example of a non-interactive webcaster. Satellite and digital cable TV. When a song is played through digital cable and satellite television music-related services like Music Choice and Muzak, SoundExchange collects and distributes the royalties. Satellite radio services. In the world of terrestrial radio, it's only the songwriter and publisher that receive performance royalties, not necessarily the performing. However, in the world of satellite radio, like SiriusXM, SoundExchange monitors their plays and allocates the money to recording artists accordingly. Digital radio services send playlists with songs played and money to SoundExchange, which later are distributed to the recording artists and master rights owners. Under U.S. copyright law, 45% of digital performance royalties are paid directly to the featured artists on a recording, and 5% are paid to a fund for non-featured artists. The other 50% of the performance royalties are paid to the rights owner of the sound recording. The term featured artist refers to the group or individual most prominently featured on sound recording, track, or album. Featured artists receive direct payments from SoundExchange. A non-featured artist is an artist who is not prominently featured on a sound recording, track, or album, like a session musician or a backup vocalist. Royalties for non-featured artists are covered by organizations such as the American Federation of Musicians, AFM, and SAG-AFTRA, the union representing film and TV performers. In order to collect potential royalties owed to you on these types of services, you will need to register with SoundExchange directly, which is free. Are you a member of SoundExchange? Let us know in the comments section. Hit the subscribe button if you want to hear more from us.